Hi there! Thanks for joining us for this video where we learn more about how to use BrandKit. In case you haven't heard yet, BrandKit is myRealPage's latest addition to our set of marketing and design tools for real estate agents like you. Today, we're doing a quick tutorial on how to create your own brand-specific template by using one of our professionally designed templates as a starting point. Though not required, we do recommend that you have the following materials on hand when creating your own template. First, a transparent light version of your company or brand's logo, a transparent dark version of that same logo, the hex codes for your brand's colors. So let's get started. After logging into Private Office and launching the BrandKit dashboard, click on Your Templates. This is where you will find templates you've created, but since we don't have one yet, we'll click on Public Templates. This part is where you'll find all of the templates we've launched so far. Remember to check back here from time to time for new templates. You can scroll through the available templates, or you can also filter them according to category, style, and format. In this example, we're going to pick a listing-based design that we're planning to post on Instagram. Please note that we do have themes for regular Instagram posts as well as Instagram stories. Let's pick this one for a property we just sold. Now that we have the pre-made template open, let's start customizing it. First, let's change the logo. Using the mouse pointer tool, click on the logo. Then, on the right side of the screen, click Pick Image. Here, you can either drag and drop the image file for your brand or company logo, or you can click on Open File dialog to navigate to your logo. Since the template we picked has a dark background, let's select the light version of our logo so that it stands out better. Once your logo has been uploaded, go ahead and click on it. You may notice that it might not be sized correctly at first. To fix this, make sure your logo is selected using the mouse pointer tool. And once again, on the right side of the screen, look for the Resize Image buttons and click on the plus or minus symbols as needed to zoom in or out. Just keep going until your logo fits correctly in your design. As an optional step, if you want to make sure that you don't move or change this part by accident, you can lock the element by clicking on the lock or unlock button in the sidebar. Now you can do pretty much the same thing for the rest of the design. You can change the color accents on the image as well as the background color. Just click on that part, click on the Fill Color Picker, and pick the right color, or use your brand's color hex codes. Once you're satisfied with your template, click on the Save As button at the top of the screen. Give your template a unique name. Make sure the template selector is in the On position, and click Save. Now to use your template, click on the house icon at the top left corner of the screen to return to the BrandKit dashboard. Click on Listings on Social Media and locate the listing you would like to feature. Next, in the Select a Design window, click on your templates and select the one you want to use. You should now see a design that has been auto-populated with the main photo and some details about your sold listing. In case you want to further edit the photo for the gram, there are also other options in the image settings section if you need them, such as filters, borders, shadows, opacity, and so on. You can also edit the text as needed. Once you're ready to post, save your image by clicking on the Export button at the top right corner. You can also click on the down arrow button beside it to choose which format you would like to save your image as. To easily save the image to your phone, you can click on Export QR Codes to create a QR code that you can scan with your smartphone. Upon scanning, the image will be downloaded to your device. And there you go. Creating your own template with BrandKit is easy peasy. So go ahead and start marketing your brand like never before, all with myRealPage.